Today, June 5th, 2020, the World Environment Day. This year's theme is Time for Nature and Celebrate Biodiversity. Today's video is dedicated to our Mother Nature, so I'm going to do an art from seeds. So let this inspire us all to plant seeds and bring on plants and trees that benefits us, the future and the coming generation. Let the earth breathe fresh and sustain longer. So let's get started.
Here we are going to start our seed art. So I have taken some seeds. I have taken ragi, rice, dal, moong dal or green gram, and I have also taken some onion and orange peels for the flowers. I have also taken yarn. If you don't have yarn, you can use a thread. It can be made out of wool, cotton or any other material. We also need glue. We need black paper or black chart paper. Here I am using a black paper. So for stiffness, I will wrap it with a book bind or a cardboard with this black paper so that it stays stiff and paper won't tear. So let's start drawing a picture. I finished my drawing. Now I'm going to apply glue on my cloud. First we will start with the borders. I finished putting glue on my cloud. Now it's time to put rice on it. Make sure that you finish one part of your picture at a time so that it doesn't be a mess. Since, for example, my cloud I'm using the same seed. So first you finish the pictures that you're using the same seed. Then you go to the next so your art becomes perfect. Since I finished putting glue on the second cloud, I'm going to sprinkle some rice on the cloud. Now let's dab it for a few seconds so that it sticks properly. After dabbing on the clouds, we'll remove off all the extra rice. I prefer that you clean your messes at that same time so it will be easy for you to clean at the end. See how nicely our cloud came? Now we are going to do the trunks of the tree. So I am going to put glue on the border. Now let's sprinkle some ragi seeds on the tree trunk to make it look awesome. Now I am going to do both the trees and let's dab it a bit. Let's take out the extras. See, the extras are coming off. Wow, isn't it so cute? I love the tree trunk. Now for the bushy part of the tree, let's take some green gram or moong dal. We'll put the glue on the borders of the tree. Now I put glue inside the bushy part and put little moong dal. I remove the extras. See, the tree came out really awesome. Now for the next part of the picture, that is the grass, I am going to use some yarn. I have taken different color yarns like dark green, light green and little bit of yellow to make the grass a little colorful. So now I am going to put little glue on the grass. See, now I put the yarn and dab it for a little time. Now for the next part, the tall grasses, we are going to take a bunch of yarn and stick it on them. So so that we can understand the grass. So we'll just put a little glue where you want to put your grass. Take a bunch of yarn of different colors and then stick it over there. Now that I finished doing the grass, I'm going to do the stems of my flowers. So I have cut some yarn into small pieces. So apply the glue the way you want to put your yarn. So I have applied it in a curvy way so that the stem looks a little more pretty. So this same way, just similarly, put the glue and apply your stem. Here I finished putting the stems for the flowers. Now it's time to do the flowers. I have cut the onion and orange peels into small pieces like that. Now see how you have to cut them. Cut small pieces and do a zigzag type cutting on your flower so that it becomes cute. See? So cool, right? It's so cute. Now it's time to stick them. Apply a little bit of glue and put your flower. See, I finished putting the flowers. Look how pretty it is. Now we are going to do the sun. So for doing the sun, we need some dal. So I'm going to use dal. So apply glue on the borders and then apply glue inside the sun. And I suggest you put the dal one by one so it doesn't become a mess. Do this part very patiently. Hope you like my picture. We are all connected to nature, so it's our duty and responsibility to keep our Mother Earth safe and clean. Try to do small things like to save water to preserve our nature. The small measures you do today can make a better tomorrow. So keep being connected to nature. Together, let's preserve our Mother Earth.
I hope you enjoyed today's seed art, which I made with the goodness of nature. Try to do more and try this surely at home. Explore more about seed art and also try doing different images with different seeds. Thank you.
Explore our nature and be a part of it.